Hi, this is Ian with Sterilized Autoclave Solutions, and today we are talking about the W&H Lexa monthly preventative maintenance. This should be done every month or every 50 cycles, whatever comes first. First, what we're going to do is wipe off the exterior of the unit using a non-abrasive cloth. You don't want any dust or any buildup on the exterior of the unit. Next, we're going to open the door and clean the door gasket. We can use the same cloth. We do not want to use anything abrasive. Make sure that there's no buildup around the door gasket or where the door gasket meets the chamber. Next, what we're going to do is remove the trays and the rack. You can remove them as a solid assembly. After the rack and trays have been removed, we're going to inspect the rack and the trays for any rust or buildup. If you do have any, you can use a cleaning sponge and cleaning solution such as Barkeeper's Friend and Simple Green. After cleaning everything off, we want to rinse those thoroughly and make sure that there's none of that cleaning solution left on before we install those back in. To remove the chamber filters, you simply unscrew them. Once all three are removed, you can run those under tap water and make sure that there's no buildup. If there is buildup or they are damaged, you can replace those. Once you have put those filters back in, we want to make sure that the chamber is clean as well. We can use the same sponge that we were using on the chamber and make sure that we get all the buildup and the rust off of the chamber. You want to wipe the chamber out thoroughly before installing the rack back in. While installing the rack, you want to ensure that you do not damage the temperature probe, which is located in the back. There is a guard on the back of the rack to make sure that you do not hit that. If you have any questions with your monthly preventative maintenance on your W&H Lexa, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Thank you.